Hi, I'm Rickoesa, and today I want to talk about the psychological theories of influence and persuasion. I want to talk about it because it's so important that we know these words behind the influence and persuasion that persons are making in us to move to take a decision or not. Because in our daily lives we are taking these decisions. Okay, the first is amplification hypothesis. It's so important because as you can see in the screen, you notice that it produces two effects. And it's so important that you notice where is the attitude there is behind of what the person are telling to you to persuasion you. The second is conversion theory. It's so important that you think in the majority and the minority. And you have to think that maybe the minority have the reason and is the person that is most intelligent and think about the future and not just the moment. And you have to think that this minority group have consistency, confidence, unbiased, and resistance. The third is information manipulation theory. It's important that you notice that if the person is breaking one of these four components, that is quantity, quality, relation, and manner, is not to take, you will not take a good decision if you trust in this person. The fourth is pride. It's so important because we have to be careful with the feelings that they are trying to move in us and keep the composure, because at the end, move our feelings is one of these goals. The fifth is reciprocity norm. This is so important because we have to think that if this decision benefits us, this doesn't have to compromise us or forcing us to give something in return. This don't have to be a compromise. It just has to be a good decision and just for make you happy. The sixth is scarcity principle. This is so important because we have to think if we really need what we want, because the world doesn't end if you don't have what you want. You have to always ask yourself if you really need it. The seventh is sleeper effect. Okay, we have to think if the message that the person are saying to us is just a message for a moment and for move your feelings in this moment. And we have to stop and think about it and about the future, not just in the moment. This is so important. And the eighth is social influence. This is so important because we move in a world and we are with persons, and this opinion is important to us and it influences us. But if these persons change your behavior, you are with a grown person, because the person that accept your opinion and respect you is the good person, not the person that change your behavior and change your beliefs and share your values. Because you have to make the difference, and you have to change to save your values, your beliefs, and you don't have to change us for any person, because this is what are you. And this is so important in the moment that you are taking a decision, because this person can make you force that you have to change. The ninth is Yale attitude change approach. Okay, we have to think in the kind of arguments that the person are give to us, because this can make change or not our decision. And ultimate aims, we have to be so square and pay attention to this part, because we have to think beyond. And the person are using this word just for change our mind and your beliefs. And maybe if this person, for example, said to you, "Oh, God bless you," at the final you said, "Oh, stop." If you believe in God, you said, oh my God, this person believe in God, I trust in him." No, you have to think more and think that this person maybe just can use us for convincing and for persuasion. Okay? I think that these 10 theories can help you to make your better decision and a good decision. And in the other time, I hope that this help you. Bye bye.